Welcome back to the El Yucateco YouTube channel, everybody. My name is Mike, and today we've got a marinated chicken fajita recipe that you're gonna love, and it's coming up right now. As always, welcome back to the channel. It's really nice to have you here. If you like what you see here today, please consider subscribing by hitting that button down there and clicking the bell next to it to get notifications anytime we release new content here on the channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for being here. We really appreciate your support, all the comments, all the love that comes in. Really appreciate it. Now let's get into this recipe. So today I'll be doing a marinated chicken fajita recipe. I've already got our chicken marinated here, and don't worry, I'm gonna have all the details down in the description below. I started this marinade with some olive oil. To that, I just simply added some garlic salt, some chili powder, some cumin, some black pepper, a little bit of cilantro, and what might be my personal favorite El Yucateco sauce, the El Yucateco Green. If you've never had the El Yucateco Green, I highly recommend you run out and pick some up. It goes wonderful on just about anything, but it's really super good on chicken. At least that's my opinion. I love it on chicken. So today we're gonna use it in this marinade, and we're also gonna drizzle a little bit on top when we get done building these fajitas. Now I am using chicken breast today. All I did was trim those down and slice them into fajita-sized bites. And you can't have fajitas without peppers and onions. So we've got a nice medley of bell peppers here and an onion, and it's ready for the griddle. So let's get outside and cook this up. We're just going to cook these down until they begin to tenderize. It should just take a couple minutes. I'm going to set these over to the cool side. I know it's probably loud, but that is such an incredible smell when that hits the flat top. I can't even describe it. It's time to warm our fajita pan. Now let's warm these flour tortillas. All right, our tortillas are warm. We're just going to set those to the side for a moment. Now let's get all this combined. All right, last step before we plate these up is a little bit of lime juice. All right, time to flatter these babies up. So it's ridiculously hot outside. I decided to come inside to build these fajitas, and there's a lot of noise out there too. So always want to bring you the best lighting and the best sound that I possibly can on these videos. These fajitas have that very unique smell. You can smell that El Yucateco Green in the marinade. Now I've chosen flour tortillas for this because you could fit more in a flour tortilla. So now it's time to build them. Let's go ahead and load these up. It's a very colorful dish, very aromatic dish. Next, we'll add some Chihuahua cheese. You can go without cheese if you want, but I'm a big cheese buff, so we're going with some cheese on these. Now for flavor and color, some cilantro on each one. Just another splash of lime juice. And some more El Yucateco Green. Just a couple dashes on each. And there you have it. Okay, now for the favorite part of my job. I say it every time. Let's dig in. All right, here we go, everybody. Cheers to you all out there, as usual. That is a flavor explosion. That El Yucateco Green and that marinade puts just an incredible flavor in that chicken. You got to try that at home. It was a simple marinade. You can do it. It's very, very simple, and you can alter it a little bit if you want, but don't forget the El Yucateco Green. These are some of the best fajitas I've ever made in my life. That said, I want to get back to eating them, and I want to thank you for being here today. We really appreciate your support of the channel. Please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure notifications are turned on, and I'll see you on the next video.